Hello guys, my name is Shaima. Alright, in this tutorial video, we are going to do kitchen cabinet. So you guys can go to 3D or walk through. Go to the kitchen area. Okay, so this is the kitchen area, this is the dining area. Then you can go to customize. On the left side, you can go to customize, then go to kitchen cabinet. Or you can press alternate 3. This is a shortcut key for kitchen cabinet. Alright, so this is a base cabinet. Okay, you can see got single door and double door. We're gonna drag out an L-shaped unit at this corner. So you can go to the second button. Okay, you can go to corner base cabinet. Okay, corner base cabinet and drag out this L-shaped unit. Drag to the wall. Okay, make sure you snap it to the corner. Right. Then you can drag another carcass on the right side. So you can go back to floor cabinet. First button, go back to floor cabinet. Drag this double door unit to the side. Okay. So once you drag it out, you can see actually the depth is not aligned. This double door carcass, okay, you can see the depth is 550. Okay, depth is 550. So you need to select this L-shaped unit, okay, and then adjust the spatial parameter here. If you hover your mouse, you can see this image. D1 is the left side, D2 is the right side. Okay, because this is an L-shaped carcass, you need to adjust inside spatial parameter. So this one, we will change it to 550. D2 also 550. Okay. Then you notice the carcass is aligned with this double door unit. Alright. Next, we're going to drag a tall unit on the right side. First button, you can go to tall cabinet. Okay. Then you can scroll down. You can drag out either the double door or triple door high cabinet. Okay. Drag to the side. Then second button, you can go to functional high cabinet. Second button, you can go to functional high cabinet. You can drag out the second model, right open microwave and oven. Okay, drag to the side. Okay, as you can see, this carcass already got installed oven and microwave inside. Okay, if you don't want this carcass, you can use the first model, electrical high cabinet. Okay, so if you use this one, the carcass is empty. There's no hardware inside. Okay, to install the oven and microwave, you need to right click on the carcass, go to appliances and hardware, go to kitchen appliances. Okay, kitchen appliances installation. Then you can see in library, we have a few items like water dispenser, okay, microwave, oven. Then you can just drag the item inside. Okay, this one you need to drag inside. I cannot double click. So you drag the item inside. Okay, then you can close the library. As you can see, this one, it will not auto resize according to the carcass. Okay, it's either you select the water dispenser and adjust the size in here, or you select the carcass and adjust the carcass size. Okay, so in this case, I will adjust the water dispenser. Okay, this model, you can select it and you can adjust the size in here. Alright, so let's say I adjust the height 400. Okay, the width right side maybe 600, left side maybe I minus 20. Okay, so it will go inside, like will fit inside this space. Alright, let's say you want to remove this panel. Okay, you can press V button, select this panel and then delete. Okay, or you can also select this one. Okay, select panel. To select carcass, you can press this one, unit, or you can press M. M is the shortcut key. Okay, so let's say you want to resize this filler. Same thing, you need to press B, select panel, then you select this filler. This one you need to adjust inside here. Okay, you see this dimension. Okay, you can try adjust the depth, let's say 100. Okay, or maybe 150. Okay, you can see. Then to move this panel, you cannot drag it up and down. You need to adjust inside this move button. Okay, go to Z angle, Z angle. So this one, if I reduce it, it will move downward. Okay, if I increase it, it will move upward. Right, so you need to adjust this movement, Z angle, move up or down. That's how you apply hardware in this empty carcass. This one, electrical high cabinet. Alright, so next, on the right side, if you have empty space, like mine over here, you can drag another tall unit just to fill in the space. So second button, you can go to high drawer cabinet. Okay, you can drag any drawer cabinet from this list. Just drag to the side. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, suppose you will see a few gap between the side panel and the end wall. Mine, I have 73.9 mm, okay, from side panel to the end wall. Usually we will cover this side with panel or filler. Alright, so actually there's two methods. First method, you can right click on the carcass, go to filler strip. Okay, you can add end panel to the right, end panel to the right. Okay, so this one you can see the panel is single. It will only cover one side. Okay, you can also try another filler. Right click on the carcass again. Filler strip. This one you can go to end panel right. End panel right. You can see this one, the filler is L shape. So it will cover the side and the front side. Okay, so it will cover the side, the left side and the front side. Alright, then you can see on the right here, this is a filler setting. Okay, you can adjust the filler position whether you want to align with door or carcass. Align with door or align with the carcass. Alright, then down here you can go to perimeter. Okay, perimeter is the sizing of the filler. Front panel is the front side. Okay, so when you select this carcass, you can see the gap on the wall. Mine is 73.9. You can select the filler and adjust the front panel. Follow the number you see on the wall here. Okay, so I will change it to 73.9. Enter. Okay, so this is the panel thickness. Okay, you can change the thickness if you want. Then extend. If you want to extend the panel, okay, the filler upward, you can go here. Upward extend. Let's say I extend 100 upward. So I extend the panel like this. Okay, if I extend it downward, okay, maybe 100. So it will extend downward like this to the floor. Extend downward to the floor. Alright. Then let's say you want to divide the filler. Okay, you want to divide the filler, you can go to division down here. Division. Okay, so 2001 is actually the carcass height. It follows the carcass height, 2001. Let's say I divide the filler from bottom, is around 800. You can see. Okay, 800 from the bottom. Then here also will cut 800. The remaining is up here. Alright, so that's how they cut the filler. Usually I will follow the carcass height, 2100. Okay, so since this filler only cover the front side, then the right side here is empty. You need to cover it with another panel. You can get the panel from special board. Okay, first button you can go to special board. Second button you can go to C light board. Then you will see this tall cabinet visible panel. Okay, drag to the side. Okay, so if you cannot snap it to the end wall, you can adjust this gap here to 0. Then click enter. It will go to the end wall. Okay, then in this product placement, you notice the depth is actually 520 mm. 520 mm. So you can see it's not touching the filler. So select the carcass, check the depth here is 550. You need to minus 550 minus 18 mm, which is the filler thickness, 18 mm. So it will be 532. Okay, you can change the depth, 532 mm. Enter. So you will see it's touching the filler. Okay. Alright, so this is the first method how to install filler. Next, the second method, you can use any panel. Okay, so I will delete the filler first. Okay, you can go to special board and go to C light board, drag out any panel from here. But before you drag, you can turn on the setting down here. You see this magnet button down here, this magnet button. Click and then go to free adaptation. Free adaptation meaning any carcass or any panel you drag out, it will auto resize according to the space here. Okay, so drag this panel out and it will auto resize like this. This is the second method. Okay, it's easier like this, but you can see the panel is solid. Okay, from top, there's no gap inside. Okay, the panel is solid. Alright. So done for this side, you can rotate, go to the left wall. Okay, we need to drag another carcass here. So first button, you can go back to floor cabinet. Floor cabinet. Drag this double door unit to your wall. Okay, sometimes it's quite hard to snap them together. Okay, if I snap it, it will go missing like this. Okay, if this happens, you can drag them aside first and then adjust the gap between these two panels, okay, between these two side panels to 0 and then click enter. It will automatically snap together. Alright. Then we need to drag one wall unit on top. First button, you can go to wall cabinet. Drag this double door hanging cabinet on the wall. Okay. Then we need to align these two. We need to align with the wall unit with the base unit. Okay, to align it, you need to press shift button and then select the base unit first. Okay, press shift on your keyboard and then select the base unit. Then press control button, select the wall unit. Okay, press control button, select the wall unit. Then once you see it highlight both cabinet, you can right click on the carcass, go to align. Okay, so this time you need to see which way your wall unit need to move. In my case, I need to move it to the right. Okay, because I want to align with the base unit, I need to move it to the right. Okay, so you go to align, right justified. Okay, you can see the wall unit will move to the right and align with the base unit. Okay, if I drag it to the right, okay, again, shift, select the base unit, control, select the top unit, right click and then go to align. Okay, so this time I need to move it to the left. Okay, so you go to left justify. Then you go to the left and align with the base unit. Same thing if you try to align it forward. Okay, front alignment. So you go to the front side, align with the base unit. If I go backward, okay, it will go back to the wall, backward alignment. Alright. Same thing if you are trying to align single door unit to this double door base unit. Okay, you can press shift and then press control, right click, go to align. This one you can go to center, left and right. Center, left and right. So it will go to the center like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Next, we are going to drag the corner unit here. Okay, first button you can go to wall cabinet. Second button you can go to corner wall cabinet. Okay, corner wall cabinet. Then you can scroll down. You will see this corner cabinet, open left, this one. Drag to the wall. Okay, and snap it to the corner. Select the base unit, just follow the sizing, okay, width 900, depth 900. So select this wall unit, change the size as well, width is 900, okay, extend to the right, 900, and then depth also 900. Okay, so this is how it looks like. One more thing, for this carcass, you cannot install door, okay, because this is an open unit carcass. If you want to install door, okay, like the base unit here got door, you need to use different model. You can see on the left side here got these two models, right turn door and right turn double door. Okay, you can use this model. Alright, example, I drag this single door, I drag to the wall here. Okay, you can see on the right side, this is actually the fake panel. This one you cannot open. This one is not a door, it's a fake panel. Then to cover the fake panel, you can go to door hanging cabinet, okay, and drag double door on the side to cover the fake panel. Okay, I will turn off the auto resize setting first, no adaptation. Okay, drag it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This one's for door. If your corner is on the left side, okay, like this case, the corner is on the left side, okay, go back to corner wall cabinet, okay, this one you can select the second option here. Second option, it will change to left turn double door cabinet. Okay, from right turn, it will change to left turn double door cabinet, meaning the fake panel will be on the left side. Okay, then you just drag out any other wall unit to the left side to cover the fake panel. Change the distance to 0 to snap them together. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Alright, so this one, I will use an open door unit. Okay, go back to corner wall cabinet. I will use this carcass, okay, open unit. Alright, next you can fill in the space. Okay, here we have one more space to fill in. You can go to the second button, go to flip door wall cabinet. Flip door wall cabinet, you can drag out this second model. Okay, the first option door is like this. Second option door is like this. Okay, it's up to you. You can drag either one. Drag here. And then we have 100 gap on the right side. You can just extend the width. Okay, extend another 100. Click enter. Okay, done for the right side. Then for the left side here, okay, you can copy this double door unit, copy to the left. Okay, Control C, Control V, copy. Then location, choose to the left. Okay, spacing 0, quantity 1, then click OK. Do the same thing to the wall unit. Right click, copy, or you can press Control C, Control V. Location, copy to the left, and then click OK. Alright, next we're going to create the refrigerator side here. You can add one panel first. Okay, you go to special board. First button, go to special board. Second button, go to see light board. And then drag this tall cabinet visible panel to the side. Okay, change the depth to 550 because our base unit is 550. Okay, then copy this panel to the left. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy to the left. Spacing is 1000, then click OK. Okay, copy to the left 1000. Then you can add one wall unit on top. Okay, first button you can go to wall cabinet. Second button you can go to flip door wall cabinet. You can drag this single door wall cabinet, okay, on top. So this one usually I will close the auto resize setting. I will go with no adaptation, because if you open free adaptation, okay, if you go to free adaptation and drag out this carcass, it will auto resize like this. We don't want it to resize down to the floor. Okay, so we need to adjust the sizing manually. So you go to no adaptation, make sure no auto resize, and then drag this carcass to the panel, snap it to one of this panel, okay, and then resize it manually. Okay, so the width extend to the right another 300, enter, and then depth is 550, elevation 1850. Elevation is the height from the floor, okay, 1850. So this is how it looks like. Alright, done for the carcass. Next, we are going to install hardware, which is the sink and the stove. Okay, so in AiHouse, the rule is always install the hardware first before you install countertop. Okay, you must install the sink and the stove first before the countertop. Alright, so you need to right click on the carcass, go to appliances and hardware, install sink. Install sink. Okay, you can see inside here we have metal sink, we have ceramic sink, okay, we have for single door, we have for double door, and we have for corner unit. Alright, so since we are using double door unit here, okay, I'm using metal double basin. Okay, you can select any model. This one you can just double click, no need to drag inside. Just double click, and then you will automatically see tap installation and water purifier installation like this. Okay, so you can select the water tap. Let's say here, it will auto apply on the sink. Okay, and then you can select the water purifier model. Double click on any model, and it will auto apply on the sink. Alright, so this is how you install a sink. Let's say you want to replace the model, you can just right click on the sink, go to sink replacement. Same thing with the water tap, right click on the water tap, replace the tap. Right click on the water purifier, replace water purifier. Okay. Next, we are going to install the stove and the hood. Okay, you can rotate your camera, go to this side, select this carcass, right click, and then go to appliances and hardware, go to stove installation. Okay, so here we have gas stove, we have electromagnetic stove, and we have mixed both gas and electromagnetic stove. Okay, so just select any model, double click, and you will automatically see this hood installation. Okay, then you choose your hood model. Here we have T type and side smoking type. Okay, select any hood model, just double click, and it will auto apply on your wall unit. You can see something like this. Yes, it will overlap with the wall unit. Later you need to select the hood and adjust the sizing. Okay, so just to remind you, once you install this hardware, you cannot simply move the hardware left and right. Okay, because it's already installed to your carcass. Let's say I move my carcass over here. It will also move my stove and the hood like this. Okay, so once you install, it's already fixed to the carcass, cannot simply drag it. Okay, so for the hood, you need to select the hood. Okay, select the hood model. On the right side, you need to adjust the sizing. Okay, we will start with the width. Okay, you can adjust the left and right side. Let's say the right side I change 900. Okay, if still overlapping with the carcass, you can reduce lah. Then the left side I will reduce maybe 100. Okay, quite okay. Then adjust the thickness because the carcass depth is actually around 330 or 350. Okay, so you can select the hood, change the depth. This one I'll change to 350, enter. Okay, you can see it's still overlapping with the door. Okay, this one you need to adjust the move. You can see down here got move category. LR means left, right. This one front, back. This one up, down. Okay, you can see the message here. Positive number go right, negative number go to the left. Same thing, front. Okay, if you want to move to the front, put positive value. If you want to move backward, put negative value. Okay, so since we're moving up and down, you need to go to up, down, this box, up, down. Okay, to move it downward, you need to put negative. Okay, negative sign, and then let's say I move it 60 mm, then click enter. Okay, if still overlapping, then you can increase lah, maybe 80. Okay, 80 mm downward. So that's how you adjust. Okay, go to this move category and adjust this up and down, this box. Alright, before we do the countertop, you can drag another carcass in the center here to act as a kitchen island. Alright, so first button, you can go to floor cabinet. First button, go to floor cabinet. Then drag this double door unit to the center. Okay, we want to rotate the door facing to the left, right? So there's two methods to rotate. It's either you drag this carcass to this wall. This is the living room wall. You can see it will auto-rotate against the wall. So the door will facing here. Then you can drag the carcass slowly to the kitchen. Okay. Or you can press Z button to manually rotate. Okay. Press Z on your keyboard. Then you will see this 3 arrow. Okay. Where you can rotate it manually facing this way. Alright, so it's up to you which method is easier to use. Okay, if you want to manually rotate, press Z. If you want auto rotate, you can drag to this wall first. Okay, so once you rotate, you can select the carcass. You will see the distance between this carcass, okay, to this front door, okay, to this side wall, and to the back wall, okay, from this back wall. Usually, we will adjust the distance from the side first. Okay, this one, I will make it around 800 or 900. Okay, so I'll change here 800. Then, since the front side, you cannot see the distance. Okay, you can use this ruler. On top here got ruler icon. You can go to distance between two panels. Distance between two panels. Select this door and this door. Then you will see the sizing. Okay, this is the gap. So the gap 690. You cannot adjust the number in here because this ruler will only show you the length. Cannot adjust. So you right click to exit, or you can press escape button. Select the carcass. You need to adjust from this wall, from the back wall here. So let's say I go 4500, enter. Then I change, go back to this ruler, go to distance between two panels, select the front door, then you will see now my distance changed to 800, 807. Okay, so that's how you adjust. Select the carcass, adjust from the back. If you cannot see the dimension on front side, remember, use this ruler. Okay, so done for the kitchen island. Now we're going to generate the countertop. You can go to this plus button. On top here, you can see got plus sign. Then you can go to countertop installation. Okay, so it will highlight all your top surface like this. On the right side, you can see got section and materials. There's 4 boxes inside. Okay, you need to choose all the sections and materials in these boxes. First box is for the front profile. You can see the green line, and this is for the front profile. Okay, usually I will use the rectangle shape, okay, like this one, TM11, because after this we are going to do a 90-degree side panel. Okay, so just suggesting you use this one lah. Okay, TM11. Double click. Then you can adjust the height down here. Okay, the front height, let's say 30 mm. Then the backsplash, this one we call backsplash. You can see the purple line. Okay, this one for backsplash. Okay, you can go to general, real water retain. So there's more profile here. Then you can adjust the height, let's say 60 mm. The third box, this one is to select the material, the countertop material. You can go to stone category. There's slab, marble, terrazzo, and quartz stone. Okay, you can find any color from here. Just double click. Then last one is the whole section. Actually, this is the lining around the sink area. Okay, the whole section is the lining profile along the sink area. Okay, you can change, let's say, the curve. Then click generate. Okay, click generate. So it will generate your countertop like this. Okay, so let's say you want to change the countertop material. You can select the countertop again. On the right side, this setting will pop up. Then you can change the color. Select. Let's say I change to different material. I change to this color. Then you can click OK. So it will change like this. Okay. If it doesn't apply to the kitchen island, you can use this brush icon on top, material brush, or you can press Shift B. Shortcut button is Shift B. Select this color. Okay, and paste on this kitchen island. Okay, you can use copy paste method. Then we're gonna try extend the kitchen island. Okay, extend the countertop here. You can select the countertop. Okay, this setting actually you can drag up, so you can see got advanced setting at the bottom. Okay, you can see got advanced setting. Go to advanced setting, it will highlight the kitchen island. Then you need to select which side line you want to extend. For this case, I need to extend the left side. So you select the side line first. See the line change to red color. Select. Then you will see got 2 arrows. You can drag this arrow out. Okay, extend it. Or you can adjust this number at the back. Let's say I extend it 1004. Enter. Okay, so once you're okay with this length, you can click generate. If not, you can still extend it. Drag the arrow or adjust this number. Here, let's say I extend it 1005. Enter. Then click generate. So it will extend your countertop like this. Okay, select the countertop. Go to advanced setting. Okay, select the side line. Then it's either you drag the arrow or change this number. Then click generate. Same thing if you want to adjust this side, you can see it's like crooked, the front profile here. Okay, this one you can adjust. Go back to advanced setting. Okay, select the countertop, go to advanced setting. You can see there's extra point in here. Okay, maybe it's because of the door thickness is different. Alright, you can drag this side line, the front side line, drag it out. Okay, and then select this midpoint, select this point and press delete. Just delete the point, then click generate. Okay, so that's how you adjust it. Alright, so now we're going to try create side countertop. Okay, you can right click on the countertop, go to create side countertop. Okay, same thing, it will highlight the top surface again. Remember, first things you need to do is select the side line first. So select the side line, then you will see the side table editing. So here we have two types of installation. We have standard installation and we have 90-degree installation. If you have curved profile, okay, if you choose a curved front profile, maybe you can try standard installation. So you can see here got curve, where the side table will be installed inside. But for those that are using rectangle shaped front profile like mine, you can use 90-degree. Installed at the corner. Okay, so for the left and right side, I will use 90-degree. Then here you can untick same as countertop thickness to adjust, to set your own side thickness, okay, side table thickness. Let's say 20 mm. Then for the height, let's say you want to set the height of the side table, okay, you don't want it to fall to the floor, you can untick landing, set your own height here. Let's say 450. Then click generate. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is a 90-degree installation. Right click on the countertop, create side countertop, select the side line. Okay, I will use a 90-degree installation and then click generate. Do the same thing to the right side. Right click, create side countertop, select the side line. Okay, click 90-degree, generate. Okay, then to cover the back side, right click on the countertop, create side countertop, select the line at the back here. This one I will use a standard installation, and then I will untick landing because I want to set height, my height here 450, generate. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Alright, if you go to the front side, you can see your carcass here. You can either drag another carcass on the side, fill in the space, or you can just delete the whole carcass. Only left the countertop. Okay, so next you can try change all the door panels. You can right click on the wall, all door, panel type. Then you can go to material library and explore the categories in here. Okay, we have flat door, we have bevel door, we have modeling door. We can go to full frame arc door. There's a few designs in here you can try. If you want 45-degree door handle, you can go to Cloud Order Single Library. Then you can go to handle free door. Most of the door inside here already got installed built-in handle. Okay, built-in handle. You can see here got L shape, G shape, concave handle door. Alright, so for 45-degree handle, you can go to cut handle free door. Then you will see this 45-degree bevel door. Okay, let's say I use this model. Okay, double click. It will change all door panel to 45-degree bevel door. Alright, if you try to open one door, let's say I open this drawer, press O, and you will see from the side it's 45-degree. Okay, the panel is 45-degree. If you want to delete the handle, you can right click on the wall, go to all handles, delete. Alright, so let's say I change to built-in handle. I go to all door, panel type. Built-in handle is under handle free door as well. Handle free door, you can go to L shape or G shape type handle. Okay, select any door with handle. Let's say this one. You can see all my door already changed with built-in handle, but the wall unit handle is on top. Suppose the handle should be at the bottom. So you need to select any door on the wall unit, right click, go to door panel type. You need to change the door panel, change to other model with handle at the bottom. Okay, like this one. This one handle is at the bottom side. So you just double click, then the handle will change, go to the bottom. Okay, you don't need to right click and do one by one. You just go to, up here you can see got brush icon. See this brush icon? You can go to style painter. Material brush is to copy color. Style painter is to copy door panel. Alright, go to style painter. Select this door and paste on other panel. So all the handle will change. It will go to the bottom side. Okay, then right click to exit. Alright, so that's how you change the door panel. Even though you already changed the door panel, you still can change the color. Just right click on the wall, go to all material, door material. Okay, it won't affect the door panel style. Change the color. Alright, then you can also change the carcass color. Right click on the wall, all materials, carcass material. Okay, if you want to change the handle color, bar handle color, you can right click on the wall, all materials, bar handle material, bar handle material. You can go to metal category. Okay, let's say I change to gold color, so all the handles will change to gold color. Alright, next you can try install the skirting. You can go to the plus button on top, go to toolkit and go to toolkit installation. It will highlight all your bottom surface like this. Then on the right side, you need to choose the section and materials. Okay, there's two boxes in here. First box is to choose the skirting profile. You can choose any profile from here. Let's say I choose this one. And you can adjust the height, skirting height. I will change it to 100. Enter. Then second box, this one is to choose the material. Okay, the skirting color. If you use wooden material, you can rotate the texture. Okay, click this button, rotate texture. Then you can click OK. So this is the skirting. You can also apply the same color as the door. You can go to this brush icon, go to material, brush. Copy this door color and paste on the skirting. Okay, then right click to cancel. If you go to the left side, you can see got one skirting on this panel. We don't want this skirting, so you can delete, select and press delete button on your keyboard. Then you need to adjust this panel. Select this panel and adjust the height, the bottom part, because we need to extend it downward. So you can plus another 100, same as our skirting height. Extend it downward 100. Okay, you can do the same thing to this panel as well, but this one got skirting at the bottom. If you stretch it downward, it will overlap with the skirting. To avoid the overlapping, you can select the skirting and go to advanced setting. Okay, go to advanced setting. You can select the sideline on the left side here. Select. Okay, you can either drag this arrow, go inside, or you can adjust the number on the back. Since our panel thickness is 18 mm, so I will adjust this number minus 18, 2005, enter. Right? Then you can click OK. So the skirting will go inside lah. Then you can select the panel and extend it downward 100. Enter. So that's how you adjust the skirting. You can always go to advanced settings, same like the countertop just now. Alright. So this is the final installation. Once you have done, you can go to this icon on top. Go to AI Decorative Accessories. Okay, you can select any style. Okay, we have modern style, luxury style, minimalist. Okay, and then click single space, kitchen, then click OK. This one also click OK. Alright, so you wait for a while. AiHouse will auto decorate your kitchen. Okay, you will see this message on top. Decoration has been finished. If you're not okay with the items, you can click change. Change the item. Alright, once done, you can close. Alright, so here I already adjust a few items and change the position. For big items like refrigerator, you need to go to cloud material. So you can exit the kitchen function. Return. You can go to cloud material. You can go to material plaza. Then you can go to electrical appliances. Refrigerator is under domestic appliances. You can drag one fridge from here. Okay, you can adjust the position. To rescale it, you can press C button or you can adjust inside here, information box. Then we also have other hardware such as stove and hood, okay, oven, and you can go to others. All the small machine is inside here, like coffee machine, toaster, okay, rice cooker, all is inside here. Okay, then you can also go to hardware and electrical appliances down here. Hardware and electrical appliances. Okay, there's more item inside here. Okay, you will see there's a few pull basket. Okay, dish rack. You can see dish rack inside here. For foods and some of others utensils, you can also go to decoration. You can go to decoration. You can go to kitchenware. Kitchenware. Okay, so all the foods, fruits and vegetables, condiment bottles is inside here lah. Okay, then you can just drag out and use. Alright, you can also drag out one dining set over here. Dining set is under furniture. Okay, you can scroll down to group, and you can drag out dining set. Okay, you can also filter what style you like. Okay, we have Nordic style, contemporary style. Then you can just drag out the dining set. You can press C button to rescale. Press C to rescale. Right, so this is the final look. Okay, I hope you guys can try out. Okay, create your own kitchen cabinets based on your creativity. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial video. Bye bye.